Here's a stat that should shake you. According to McKinsey, contact centers could automate 30 to 50% of their call volume using AI, but most still haven't. That's like letting your highest paid agents answer the same 5 questions every single day. If you're leading a contact center, you've got 2 clear paths. First, rebuild from the ground up on a modern AI embedded platform. Or second, bolt on smarter tools to make your current systems a whole lot more effective. Let's break down the playbook, share real world examples, and help you figure out which path makes sense for you based on where you are today. Traditional contact centers, siloed tools, long queues, manual QA, agent burnout. Modern contact centers, omni-channel, AI-assisted agents, real-time coaching, smart routing. Modern contact centers aren't just about scale, they're about intelligence, flexibility, and experience. The companies getting this right aren't hiring more agents, they're making the ones they have 10x more effective. Let's talk about the first path, a full rebuild. First of all, everything is in one place. Your calls, chat, coaching, and QA. Next, it's got built-in AI for routing, summarization, and QA. And then finally, unified reporting and integrated workflows. But it requires new systems, agent training, and real process change. This is the right path for you if your current systems are outdated, siloed, or holding your growth back. You'll get long-term efficiency, but it is a big lift. Now the second path, bolt on AI. This is the faster, more flexible approach. You can bolt on AI in 4 key areas. Voice automation for high volume, low value calls. Real-time agent assist for coaching and faster resolution. Auto QA to analyze 100% of interactions. And post-call summarizations to reduce wrap-up time. One healthcare provider I studied was handling 400 calls a day just for directions. They layered in a voice-based AI agent, and within days, 95% of those calls were handled without ever reaching a human. That single automation freed up 8 agents without ripping out a single piece of infrastructure. So where does AI actually win? Let's talk L1 through L3 support tier. So L1 is low effort and repetitive. That's like password resets, store hours. L2, that moderate complexity, so order issues, policy changes. And then L3, the high risk escalation, so billing disputes, cancellation. AI shines at L1. That's where you start. And that's exactly how most companies are getting fast ROI without risking their customer experience. In Voca, they said chatbots and virtual agents can resolve 90% of routine issues using advanced models like GPT and reducing resolution time dramatically. Now let's address the biggest myth I hear. We need perfect data before we can use AI. This is one of the biggest blockers I hear. Our data's messy. We're not ready for AI. But that thinking is backwards. Observe AI said, AI agents don't require perfect data. They help create cleaner processes and higher quality data over time. If you're handling volume, you have patterns. And if you have patterns, AI can help. So here's the playbook. Rebuild if your tech stack is fragmented or can't scale. Upgrade with AI if your systems work, but your team is stretched thin. Either way, start with L1 use cases for the fastest impact. I've dropped links below to McKinsey, Invoca, and other deep dive articles. And if you want a checklist to help you plan your first 90 days of AI modernization, there's one below too. Like and subscribe if you want more strategic breakdowns like this. We're just getting started.